Hello friends, this is Zilangavan. Today I'll be showing you how to plant pudina from that shop which we buy, right? I'll be showing you how we can plant the same thing in our home terrace garden. So this is in Tamil we call this as pudina. In English this is mint leaves. So I've taken this mint leaves which you have purchased for home use. So what I've done is I've taken this complete with this complete step. So I've taken 4. So it's like a straight away thing. So directly we can take this thing and we can directly plant in our grow bag. So this is that growing medium which I prepared for planting this pudina. If you want to know how to prepare this growing medium and what combination we have to prepare, refer to my previous videos. So straight away we can directly put it in our grow bags. So I'm just placing. So directly place it. Now just I'll be watering it. Now I'll be just watering it. So now we have planted it. Next coming weeks I'll be showing you how this plant grows, and I'll show you the progress of this one in every week. I hope you have understood this simple concept of how to use this the pudina which is available at our home to grow it the same thing in our terrace garden. Please share your thoughts and comments on the same so that I can check and I can share. I can get back to you on this. Thank you. Have a great day.